Hello everyone, myself Narayan Pawar, HOD of Electrical Department at Praveen Patil, College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bhayandar. Subject Electrical Substation Practices, Semester 6. Today we are studying regarding practical number 1 as prepare report on safety precaution to be observed in electrical substation for carrying out HV switching. So this is the practical of electrical substation practices. The name is that prepare report on safety precaution to be observed in substation for carrying out HV switching. So first of all we have to see the electrical safety equipments. Electrical safety equipment can be used during the join and terminating of the underground cables into the substation and for electrical construction. Then it is also useful for the maintenance of the overhead power line as well as the maintenance of the conductor on the transmission and distribution network. So to do the work of electrical engineering, so we have to take safety precaution by using electrical equipment. So can be used during the join and terminating of underground cables into the electrical substation. So that safety precaution are important in electrical system. In electrical manufacturing, there are electrical safety equipment are manufactured for the low voltage as well as the high voltage and EHV. EHV means extra high voltage application, including the switching and the maintenance work on the low and high voltage. So these electrical devices are manufactured to provide the electricity, and that electricity switchgear and the cable systems operating with different voltage levels. Here the some voltage level are the given such as 3.3 kV, 6.6 kV, 11 kV, 33 kV, 66 kV and up to 400 kV. The range include voltage detectors, substation light. So these are the different voltage level with use in electrical power systems. So by using this, the substation light are the saving kits, insulating strips and insulating gloves and insulating mattings. So these all are the use for the safety purpose of electrical work. This is the image of the arc flash coating. As arc flash coating are the use in electrical power system or in electrical substation for the safety purpose. Arc flash protection and clothing kits are supplied in the kit form for the heat to toy electrical protection against the dangers of the arc blast from 12 cal to the 100 calories level. So at that level it have to provide the protection from the arc. In case of the fault occur, then there may be the arc develop in the electrical substation. So that types of the arc is very dangerous to the human. So by using this code as well as by using the arc flash coating, we have to protection ourselves and do the maintenance of that things and provide the protection of another electrical equipment. So these are most important things which are used for the protection of ourselves, and this is used for the safety precaution in electrical substation. Next, we have to see the some rules which are useful for the electrical safety precautions. Here some rules are the given. Rule number 1, that is the clearance. Enough clearance are the required from the energized parts. So these are the energized parts would be provided and to avoid the accidental contact. So we have to avoid that accidental contact with them. If that can be made, the live parts would be crossed, then that live part may be very dangerous to the human health. In case the live part are touched by that person, then the problem arises the fatal to that human health. Then rule number 2 is that minimum height from the ground to the any ground parts of the electrical installation should be 8 to 6 feet, so that person staying on the ground can't touches the electrical substation and can't touches the electrical elements or its parts which may be become the energized. So that height, minimum height from the ground level are essential. Next, rule number 3, that is the illumination. There should be sufficient illumination for the personnel to clearly see their surrounding and perform any work with the safety. That is the rule of the electrical safety precaution. Next rule, passageway. All passageway and the stair should be wide enough for the personnel to navigate them the safety, and adequate railing should be provided. So that things are also essential in electrical power systems. And by using this, we have to provide the protection to electrical substation with proper illumination, with proper passageway and the stair, and then minimum height to the ground, and then also to avoid the accidental contact of electrical equipments. So these are the rules of safety precaution in electrical power systems. Next, rule number 5, as the evacuation routes. Exits should be clearly made and the evacuation route should be free from the obstruction. So these all depends on the function of the buildings. For example, control house, it may be required several exits to avoid the personnel and being the trap during the equipment faults, such as the fire develop in that electrical substation. So these are also the essential things, means the free from the obstruction and clearly marked indicated with the shows on the electrical power systems. Next, rule number 6, grounding. All substation metallic structures, benches and the equipment tanks should be connected to the substation ground grid, which should be designed to ensure that step and touch potential value are lower than the one and stipulated in the applicable standard. So these are also the essential rules of electrical safety precautions which provide the protection to electrical systems. So these are the different rule and safety precaution things are carried out in electrical substation. Thank you.